Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing this delicious fried yam recipe with some roasted fish. Do you have any childhood experience with yam, akara, plantain and masa and all of those goodness on the streets of Lagos or Aba Owerri? If you are in Lagos brought up, raise up your hand in the comment section and let me know. Children also love yam a lot as long as you have egg sauce by the side or vegetable sauce for them, or you can just make some Titus fish sauce, which is mackerel fish, and they will love it. Yam is very, very good. You can use yam for anything. You can also choose to eat yam with just palm oil and some peppers. How about that? You can also boil yam if you don't want to fry your yam. You can just make vegetable by the side of the fish. You can make sauce, whatever you want to do. Yam is something you can make egg sauce, you can make vegetable sauce and eat with. And you will really love that you did. The yam came out very delicious with the sauce and we enjoyed it. I hope you want to try this. Let me know in the comment section if you love yam like I do. What do you like to eat your yam with? Egg sauce, vegetable sauce, or peppered sauce?
See, we have all sorts here. Garlic is here. Ginger is here. All my green herbs are here. I'm going to add some cloves. It is. Just add some groundnut oil or you add some drop of water. And then you blend. So I'm going to blend my peppers.
For the sauce, guys, I used palm oil and groundnut oil. I toasted my onion into the oil and the groundnut oil and I added my peppers, and this is the outcome. It came out very delicious. You can try this.
Yeah, so guys, this is the fish. After Emanuela have cleaned thoroughly, we have 8 pieces. Yeah, I'm going to show you how I'm going to marinate this fish now. Make an incision. Today I'm going to make a different one, but this is just for me to make a different incision today. So I'm going to do this until I'm done with everything.
Make sure you clean your fish nicely and then allow your fish to get dried for a little bit, about 10 minutes. Just wipe it up with paper towel or whatever you have to make it dried, and then you can incision it if you like to incision it, or you go ahead and add your seasoning. Allow it to rest for about 2 hours or 30 minutes, 1 hour.
Our fish, the reason why you have to make an incision is because you want all of those beautiful, herbs to get into every part of your fish. Add your seasoning. Tilapia fish doesn't have taste, but when you want to make tilapia fish, there's a certain way you go about it. Trust me, you would love to eat tilapia fish. Hubby likes fish a lot, and I'm wondering what am I going to be making. Emanuela did a good job. She cleaned this fish like very, very well. I taught her well, and I hope she takes everything in, not just in the kitchen alone, but in everything she's doing in life.
So I'm going to use the same stew to marinate my fish. Trust me, guys, your fish will come out tasting very delicious and you're going to enjoy that you did.
So you can see the consistency. This has a lot of garlic, ginger, and all of those good herbs. And you can also use it for your fish, okay, or your chicken. So let's do this. Add it in and out of your fish. Your fish will taste nice and delicious. So guys, this is the first tray, and look at how this seasoning has entered every part of this fish. Can you see? When this fish is coming out, it's going to come out very delicious, trust me. So this is the first tray. The fact that I made a stew separately for it will give it a more delicious taste. Okay, so I'll set this one aside. Put it in. You can use this for bully, you can use it for rice, you can use it for yam, you can use it for anything you want to. This is how I take care of my husband when he's around. This is a meal idea, guys. Something you can do for your husband and for your guests. All right.
If you're still watching till now, I want to say a very huge thank you. I really do appreciate you. Thank you so much for your love and support towards my channel, and God bless you mightily. Look at how beautiful the fish is looking. And if you haven't subscribed, please do me well by subscribing to my channel. Please turn on your notification bell so you can always get notified anytime I upload new video. For my returning viewers, I will always be grateful. Thank you so very much.
It tastes so good. Probably will enjoy himself. Very, very delicious. Very, very delicious. Doesn't it look like it's cooked already? It's looking like it's cooked already. So we're going to send it to the oven, guys. Try to do it this way. You will love that you did.
Get it into the oven for 30 minutes. Make sure you turn it the other side so that it can cook very well. 30 minutes later, our fish is ready.
So guys, this is our fish. Look at how delicious. See how beautiful it's looking. It came out all good. Okay. Yeah. This is the second one. I'm going to just add everything in one tray because this is so delicious. It's so moist. Oh, look at that. Look at that, guys.
Please give this video a massive thumbs up. Share to your friends and loved ones. Let me know if you're going to try this in the comment section. This is a meal idea. It's very quick, very simple. Children loves it also, and you will love it. Try this and let me know.
The sauce is so good.
You can always use this fish for salad or some other thing. Good Christian, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Ciao, ciao. See you in my next video. Please watch my videos. Thank you.